Hi, my name is NAOMI SAIKACHI, a drama therapist from Tokyo, Japan. I learned drama therapy in New York University, and after coming back to Japan, I established my own site named Joy Laboratory Tokyo, and I'm also a member of Japan Drama Therapy Institute. I think many Japanese people tend to hesitate to express their true feelings and emotions. They are not accustomed to have counseling, so they accumulate their stress and frustration in themselves. Especially I'm concerning about children. Unfortunately, the number of children who cannot go to school because of bullying and human relationship trouble is increasing year by year in Japan. They have low self-esteem because they are not able to adjust themselves into their circumstances. However, through drama therapy, they can express and explore themselves playfully and joyfully. Moreover, they can sort out their complex feelings and improve their self-esteem. I believe drama therapy is a magic vehicle which takes people wherever they want to go and they want to be. And I want to spread drama therapy not only in Japan, but also all over the world.